Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to translate text in Microsoft Word. So it's very simple, and there are two kinds. You can translate for one document, or you can translate for just a few words or sentence. For example, here I have a paragraph and I want to translate a few sentences. So just to highlight the sentence that will be translated, and just going to review, select translate. So there are two options. This is for translate one document, and this is for the selection sentence. So I'm just going to select translate selection, and you can see in the right, so you can translate to your language you like. Here, for instance, I'm just going to select French. So just click insert. Here we go. You can see the sentence have been translated. Alright, very easy. That's how to translate text in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.